How to download the YouTube Kids app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the app installed on your device in just a few steps. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type in YouTube Kids. From there, tap on the correct app from the search results. Make sure it's the one developed by Google LLC to avoid downloading the wrong one. At this point, tap on Install and wait for the download to finish. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection. In the next step, once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. Following this, you'll be greeted with a setup screen. Tap on Get Started to begin. Once done, select whether you're a parent or a child to set up the experience correctly. From here, if you're setting it up as a parent, you'll need to verify your Google account before continuing. Finally, once everything is set up, you can start exploring content and customize the settings to make it suitable for your child's age group. And that's it. If this guide helped you download the YouTube Kids app on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.